Hello everyone, how to solve this very nice exponential equation m to the power m is equal to 2 power 2m plus 8. And here we are interesting to find m. Let's come to the solution. First of all, m power m is equal to 2 power 2m plus 8. So take 2 as common from this. So inside the bracket m plus 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8. Now if we have a number, let this is a power mn, we can write this as a power m and this power n, or a power n whole power m. So using this property, m power m is equal to 2 squared and this whole power m plus 4. Now we have m power m is equal to 2 squared, which is 4, and 4 power m plus 4. Now using another algebraic identity, if we have a power m plus n, then we can write this as a power m multiplied by a power n. So using this property here, m power m is equal to 4 power m multiplied by 4 power 4. Now dividing both sides by 4 power m. Here if we have a power x divided by b power x, then we can write this as a whole a divided by b whole power x. So by this m power m divided by 4 power m, we can write this as a whole m divided by 4 whole power m is equal to, here 4 power m and 4 power m cancel each other, 4 power 4 will be left out. Now m power m divided by 4 whole power m is equal to 4 power 4 multiplying both sides of exponent with 1 by 4. Here 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. So this will become as m divided by 4 whole power m multiplied by 1 m divided by 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4, is equal to 4, and here 4 and 4 cancel out each other, here 1 will be left. So now this will become as m divided by 4 whole power m divided by 4 is equal to 4 power 1, which is 4, and we can write this 4 as 2 squared. Now using this algebraic identity, if we have a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then this will become as a is equal to b. So using this identity, here m divided by 4 is a, so a to the power a is equal to 2 if we consider it b, so 2 squared. So now this will become as m divided by 2 m divided by 4 is equal to 2. Now multiplying both sides by 4, this 4 and 4 cancel out, and here m is equal to 8. So we have found that m is equal to 8. Now let's verify that the value of m for a given expression is valid or invalid. So here m, which is 8, to the power m, which is 8, whether it is equal or not equal to 2 power 2 into m, which is 8, plus 8. Now 8 power 8, we can write this 8 as 2 cube, and this power 8 is equal or not equal to 2. 8 multiplied by 2, 16 plus 8. Now by using the property that if a power m to the power n, then this is equal to a power mn. So this will become as 2 power 8 multiplied by 3, which is 24, is equal to 2 power 16 plus 8, which is 24. So here we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our answer for a given expression m is equal to 8 is valid. Thank you for watching.